Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about our next indicator, that is Bollinger Bands indicator. Okay, let's take a chart example here because the theory behind the Bollinger Band is really simple. Now once you open the TradingView platform, just go to here. This is here to load the indicators. Now after clicking on this one, you just need to type Bollinger Bands. Now out of these five, just select simple Bollinger Bands. Okay. Now after selecting Bollinger Band, you will get three lines. Now out of the three lines, just click on settings of the Bollinger Band. You will get 20. Now this 20 is nothing but this middle line. And what is this middle line? Middle line is simple moving average, which we discussed in the moving average section, and 20 represent the 20 candles moving average. Okay, so hope this time you got to know that what is the moving averages and what is the middle line. Now the lower line is like support for the Bollinger Band, and higher line is resistance for the Bollinger Band. Now the Bollinger Band will work very best if and only if market is in sideways. How it will work? If in the sideways market will touch the support, move upside, touch the support, move upside, touch the support. This pattern will happen. So in the Bollinger Band, if market is in the sideways, then what you need to do is you need to buy at the whenever market took support here and market creating bullish candle, buy at here. And when to sell, whenever market touch the resistance line, then you need to sell. Means buy here and sell at this line, or when you touch, sell at this line. If market is sideways, then it will give good profit. But it's not a 100% confirmation or not even 80% confirmation that it will work very best. I previously, when I was beginner, I started to using the Bollinger Bands, but after that I not found any good accuracies here or good profitable ratios as per my understanding. So I'm just using Bollinger Band sometimes when I wanted to enter in the market if market is in the sideways. Okay, so again, if market is trendy in the sense one-sided, like either it is positive or either it is negative, then how to trade with the Bollinger Band if you wanted to trade in the Bollinger Band? Okay, I am not suggesting to use Bollinger Band every time, but if market is broken something and you wanted to enter at pullback, so pullback and after enter, so if Bollinger Band is like this one, then you can enter here so that market will move downside again. But when market is in the trendy, how to enter with Bollinger Band? Suppose you should be clear with your mindset where you are entering, like either negative side or positive side. In this case, in this my chart, market is negative scenario because when market opened, after opening the market started moving the downside level. Okay, market started moving the downside. If you check, market opened at here. After opening, market started moving the downside direction. If you check the price action also, it's a downside. So I wanted to make an entry for the downside. So what I will do is, whenever market will touch upper side, okay, whenever market will touch upper side, I will make short position here because I know trend is negative. I will not make any buying position at the downside because market is moving the downside. So with my clear understanding, what I am doing is I will do enter here at these candles, put stop loss somewhere around here above these lines, and I will expect target the last line of the Bollinger Band or breakout of the Bollinger Band, this breakout or this breakout, so that market will move faster to the downside. Okay, so as per our understanding, what we need to do, when market touch here, we need to sell it. But after selling with this candle, what happened is our stop loss got hit. It's fine. Again, we need to select this candle. Okay, whatever the candle touches or moving downside, short it, put stop loss around here above this line. If you check, market dropped too much. Okay, market dropped too much. Again, let's take another example. Sell here, book here. Okay, again sell here, sorry, sell not stop loss, sell here, book somewhere around here, or somewhere around here. It's your choice where you are booking. But if Bollinger Band size is too minimum like this one, then it's better not to trade with this range. Bollinger side should be larger in the sense, not this one. Like this is also not good. Okay, this is also not good. Let's take an example where Bollinger Band size is bigger. For example, here, if you check the difference between these two bands are maximum, distance between these two bands are maximum. So this is the good scenario to make a position here, short position here. Okay, let's take another example. If you check here, if you check another example, let's take another example. See here. Here Bollinger Band size is again maximums. Like this one is the Bollinger size. This is the maximum. So what we need to do? We need to make buy position. Like here you can buy, here you can sell. Again here you can buy. Obviously if Bollinger Band breaks, then obviously market will move upside very fast. So in this case, here you need to book, or at least here you need to book. So this is the case. But to be very honest, I'm personally not using Bollinger Bands. When I was beginner, I was using the Bollinger Bands, but now I am not using the Bollinger Band that much extensively. But because of you should aware of the indicator, that's why I am covering in this video. Hope you got my point. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.